Hello everybody and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen, where we continue our theme of American-inspired cooking, and this week we'll make sirloin mashed potatoes. Now this emerged from a previous recipe that my mom and grandma used to make. They would form mashed potatoes into patties like this and put ground sirloin in the middle and were then fried. This recipe is similar and even easier to make. So big picture, it's a layer of mashed potatoes, ground sirloin in the middle, and another layer of mashed potatoes on top. So here's the ingredients we'll be using. Our ground sirloin here: salt, pepper, turmeric, ground cumin, allspice, and grapeseed oil. So first thing, we'll add a little bit of grapeseed oil. And then we'll get the ground sirloin in here to our pan. Drop it in like that, and then we'll just let this cook for a little bit. So it's been a few minutes on like medium heat. I'm kind of moving it around to make sure the sirloin gets cooked evenly. And then here are all of our spices. I put them in this little bowl, and I'm going to give it a mix, and then we'll continue to let that cook as we mix it in, all to give it flavor. And then after about 7 minutes on medium heat, you can see it looks mostly pretty well cooked. So now we're done with the ground sirloin. We'll set it aside and then work on the mashed potatoes. So for the ingredients for the mashed potatoes, we have 3½ cups of water. We'll add butter and salt to it here, and then later our potato flakes and milk. Water is getting close to boiling. We'll add the butter, and then here is a teaspoon of salt, and we'll mix that in a little bit, and we want to bring this up all together to boiling. Then once everything has melted and it starts kind of foaming like that, we'll turn off the heat, and then ready for the next step, which is 4 cups of potato flakes, 2 each in these plates. Try to get this one in a little better. Here's the 4 flakes. And then we'll add 2 cups of milk. And then we'll mix that together. Alright, so I roughly split the mashed potatoes in half and put half of them here in this plate for the bottom layer. And we'll try to get this on here and spread it for the bottom layer. Alright, next we can start laying down some of the ground sirloin. Wash my hands here first, and then we'll start layering it in the middle. Then for the final step, I added a little bit of milk just to thin this out a little bit to make it easier to spread. Some dollops on top here. Then when we have all the mashed potatoes down, we're ready to try spreading it here. Then I got some in a plate, and of course we got to try it here. That's excellent. You really taste all the flavors, and the ground sirloin really comes out, and the fluffy mashed potatoes, just a perfect combination. I really hope you guys get a chance to try the sirloin mashed potatoes. The recipe and ingredients are at the bottom of the video. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks very much to Mom for her help running the camera, and we'll see you next time in the Tellow Family Kitchen.